In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a customer flow in Mailchimp. Crafting a thoughtful customer flow is crucial. Whether you're welcoming new contacts, nurturing leads, or keeping your audience engaged, each step in the flow can significantly impact the overall customer experience. Mailchimp, with its user-friendly automation features, is a powerful tool to personalize and streamline these processes. So let's get started. We're starting from the Mailchimp homepage, filled with a plethora of options. But for today's purpose, we're focusing on automations, an incredible feature that allows you to send emails to your subscribers automatically based on triggers you define. Find and click on the Automations option on the homepage, and this is where the magic begins. You'll see two paths. You can either build from scratch or use one of Mailchimp's expertly crafted flow templates. For those just beginning or looking for some inspiration, these templates offer an excellent way to see what's possible. Let's take a look at the pre-built options. Mailchimp categorizes these based on different objectives, like engaging with your Shopify store's customers, welcoming new contacts, or nurturing leads. Each category offers a set of customer flows tailored to specific goals to suit your needs. For this tutorial, we'll focus on the Welcome series. This flow is perfect for introducing new subscribers to your brand, setting the tone for your relationship, and providing valuable content right from the start. Navigate through the categories to find the Welcome series, then click on Use this flow. Once selected, you'll be taken to a new page where you can review the flow structure. If everything looks good to you at this point, proceed by clicking on Continue. This action will take you deeper into the flow's specifics, where you can customize triggers, emails, and actions to perfectly fit your needs. There's an important note here. Some of Mailchimp's advanced features, including certain customer flow automations, do require a paid account. If you're prompted to upgrade your account to access these features, carefully weigh the benefits. Upgrading can open up a wealth of tools to enhance your marketing efforts, but it's important that the investment aligns with your business's needs and goals. Once you've reviewed everything and considered a possible upgrade, you're ready to dive into the Customer Journey Builder. This powerful interface allows you to visually design and customize every aspect of your audience's experience, from the initial welcome email to follow-up messages based on specific actions, like opening an email or visiting a landing page. Each interaction can be tailored to resonate with your subscribers. And there you have it, a comprehensive walkthrough for creating a customer flow in Mailchimp. Remember, the key to a successful flow is understanding your audience's needs and crafting communications that are not just engaging, but deeply personal. Experiment with different triggers, messages, and sequences to discover what works best for your brand. Always keep an eye on your campaign's performance metrics to make informed adjustments along the way. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Whether you're a seasoned Mailchimp user or just getting started, I hope this guide has illuminated the path to creating meaningful and effective customer flows. Until next time, happy emailing!